Yes. So finally, we know as Remix has turned 16 this year.
Yeah.
How do you guys feel about it, Shweta?
Ecstatic. Considering that we are still talking about Remix and we are here to, because of Remix,
Right.
I think that's an achievement by itself, and we are I am supremely ecstatic, and I'm sure Karan is as well.
Yeah, I think it is. I'm sure, yeah. I think it's a. I don't know if it feels like 16 years, because I think another 2 years and I would have lived. I would have lived half my life being an actor, and I think it's great. Like I think Shwetli said that ki if people still talk about it, and I remember first November, so many messages, so much to talk, so much love, and it just gets very overwhelming sometimes because uh, you don't expect all this after so many years, but
Right.
if it's
Yeah.
still there, it's just I'm very happy. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So
True.
the show has been a really great launch pad for you guys. So do you remember the
Yeah.
day the casting happened? How did you reach that casting, the auditioning place?
See,
I
Shweta
think
was a
Karan's
star.
story.
Shweta didn't have to cast and all. Shweta was the only star on on the show.
Ah,
Kunsui.
All of us, all of us had to do that struggle. श्वेता को ऑफर हुआ था ऐसा है.
oh,
क्योंकि मैं काम इसलिए वो भी इसलिए क्योंकि मैं काम कर चुकी थी यार, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
hmm.
बट हाँ, मैं मतलब आई हैड
Exactly.
वर्क बिफोर एंड एवरीबडी एल्स हैड नॉट. दैट वाज द ओनली डिफरेंस.
Yeah.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है स्टार.
So I was
Yeah, yeah.
under the
नहीं नहीं but
impression that it was your
But yeah,
debut show. I was under the impression for 16 years that it was your debut show.
no, it wasn't. It was my fifth show on television.
Oh, yeah. So
that's the
what
thing.
was
Now I think Shweta I think had done so much work that it probably obviously it's you can call it, say, I think, I hope if I'm right, you can call it a game changer,
right,
Yeah.
because she'd already done so much work that all of us obviously knew Shweta when we came on, the show, and half of us were not even interested in acting, including me. We were
right.
like, ठीक है, एक्टर बना दो हमें, हमारे को क्या है, हमें तो पता ही नहीं है कि एक्टिंग होती है.
Huh,
तो we had Shweta Gulati as the teacher,
yeah.
uh,
Good speech.
who taught us certain nuances, which at that time sometimes we got it, sometimes we didn't get it. But I think in the bargain, I think it's been great because I feel personally, I feel for me, I just feel that I think being so unaware of the fact that what stardom was and what acting was, I think was a boon for me. I think if I would have been more too much of a nag about, oh, this is acting, or this is how I have to do it, or blah 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 blah, I think this would have not. I would have not achieved what I've achieved. So I'm just very glad that I was just unaware of a lot of things back in the days, and I hope and I pray that sometimes again, sometimes that when I go to work, I am the same boy, which gets really really difficult to be, but it was great, yeah. मतलब, I just got remixed by chance.
Yeah. So अगर remix नहीं हुआ होता तो what alternative career you guys would have been doing right now?
I
कभी
think I
सोचा
would have been a housewife.
You would have been a
Married with a
housewife,
couple of
really,
children, a
really.
housewife. Huh?
we can't believe it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right. You would have still been a housewife and still would have done some 25,000 shows.
कुछ भी. अभी तो देखो हाउसवाइफ भी प्ले कर रही हूँ ना.
Imagine, but you still see, this is the first
You are working.
housewife that is getting paid to be a
Right.
Yeah.
housewife.
True, 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 true. But I'm enjoying this. Huh, Karan, what would you be? He would be a
I
professional
don't know.
cricketer. Am I right?
Yeah, I think either I would have just gone back to cricket, or I would have been 110 kgs, having three, four kids, and sitting on my father's business, because I would have not had anything else to do. I think back in the days in Delhi, I think the entire perspective of being an actor, now everyone wants to be an actor or wants to be a so-called influencer. They also call themselves actors, without any disgrace to anybody. But yeah, I think
Yeah.
now everyone wants to be in the creative field, and people also don't look down upon it, or
Yeah.
people don't say that it's a see it is a tricky industry, and I completely believe that sometimes you make it, sometimes you don't. But I think the kind of scenarios that we are in, the digital era, it's given so many people so much liberty and so much space to grow,
Right.
that back in the days नहीं होता था. Back in the days तो मतलब मैं जब एक्टर बनने आया था तो मैं खुद ही चिल करने आया था एक साल के लिए.
Karan,
ये तो
sorry to interrupt you,
हाँ
but just imagine if this kind of social media was there back in the days when we were doing remakes.
dude, we I'm telling you, we would have killed Justin Bieber.
Yeah.
I tell all these newbies sometimes the egomaniac that I have in within the Delhi ka ladka that I was, I still have a part of it in me. And sometimes when I meet these new boys and girls who tell me, "No, sir, I have 5 million, I have 7 million," I'm like, bro, don't even give me this number, okay? What we've seen, you will never be able to see.
And it
That does
it
not
is
come
still
back. It's
there.
not going to come back.
It is
No
still
matter
there.
how.
People are still making those edits of you playing Zeenat Aman
Yeah.
or he playing Amitabh Bachchan in that scenario thing.
Yeah, man.
E-
Sachi.
even
Those were the
still
days.
there.
What
I know.
beautiful life we've lived back then, and what
I know,
beautiful
man.
work we've done back then. It's
Yeah.
not just about the adulation and the popularity that we gained, 16 years ago. We did some really bloody good work. We did some
Exactly.
fabulous scenes.
Yes.
The joy was that we are creating something which is so special, and precisely why 16 years later we are still talking about it, because we
Exactly.
created something magical on screen,
Right.
and that's
Yeah,
never
I
going to
think,
happen again.
And
and I
it
think
was yes.
Shweta, I just
Hmm.
feel because back in the days, like now we're all we've done so much work, and we also sometimes I feel it happens with everybody that we calculate our work in monetary terms also. Back in the
True.
days, I don't want to talk about the monies that we got, but I
Yeah.
feel even whatever monies we got, it never came across as कि अरे यार इतना कम पैसा मिल रहा है, क्योंकि काम में इतना
Correct.
मजा आता था.
Correct. So true.
Also the
Now we
show.
measure it
Yes.
in terms of in terms of monetary gains, which is so true, Karan.
Uh,
Wo, that thankfully, with this show, though I have
yeah.
aged myself on screen and I've become a mother, I'm after remix, Karan, if I'm
Yeah.
enjoying doing something, I'm enjoying doing this.
But it's a
Also,
great
probably
show. I
yeah,
watched the
it
show.
is.
It's a great show. I
Me
think it's
too.
just, it's like, I understand TV nitty-gritties and I understand that there is a thing that we have to sell. But when you sell it the way you guys are selling on the show, it's fun to watch it. Like, even if the biggest problems that you're showing is in
Yeah,
a lighter space and not
yeah,
going doom, dish, dard, doom, 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 doom.
exactly. Yeah, it's
It's,
more real and relatable. Yeah,
yeah.
Also the show
yeah.
remix.
So
Yes, was
no,
very
go ahead, Divya. No,
yes
you're
was
saying something. Yeah.
remix was very new age kind of show at that time. Like the kind of content that Netflix is providing us now, remix gave us that
Mhm.
16 years ago,
Yep.
right?
Trust me, Netflix
Correct.
doesn't give you anything that we gave.
Right.
All these words that these kids use nowadays, na, it's such a shocker for me, because I go, like, now when I go to my building gym or something, and I've seen these kids growing up, now they're working out besides me, and uh, they're talking in a lingo that I feel I want to tell them, hello, ये हम लोगों ने create किया तुम लोगों के लिए.
Right.
Like, it's unbelievable. Like, all this chillax and all that, dude, and chillax and bounce and God knows what is
Yeah.
not their lingo.
हाँ.
It's remix ka
It's our
lingo.
lingo.
Also there
So
was
it's
slangs like
great.
या
Yeah.
अहुजा होना कोई ऐसी वैसी बात नहीं है. Used to call.
Aaj tak.
हाँ. So I
It's been
still
16
remember that.
years. Aaj tak, dost.
I swear, Karan, Sachi.
Do you remember
Yaar.
some sort of dialogues that were that are being used till now, Shweta? Like I just said one
Um,
yeah, Huja wala.
there are so many of them. I think their entire show ka lingo, like, from what
Yeah.
Anvesha, the way Anvesha spoke, to the way Yuvraj spoke, to the way Ranveer spoke. I think all of us individually, um, every lingo, and we all had our individual, signature lines and signature words.
Yeah.
Everything is being used today, and as he said, the newer generation feels that it's their lingo, but we created that 16 years ago and gave it to them, and they are living it now.
Yeah. No, and I think it's like, I'll tell you the perfect example of Tia Ahuja. You'll see in any and every Hindi Bollywood film where you see this upmarket heroine who's the lead, who's, a little uh, uh, rich and has the works, and that was Tia Ahuja.
Every
Uh,
South
you
Delhi
know,
girl.
uh,
Every South Delhi girl, basically.
no, it's not just about a South Delhi girl. Like,
Right.
when we talk about how when we talk about, say, a student of the year,
Hmm.
uh,
Yeah.
and we see क्या कहते हैं,
Ananya.
Alia's character,
Ananya.
and
Yeah.
or we see Ananya's character.
Right.
Yeah.
It's a resonation from the same genre of a girl,
Right.
and
Yeah.
and I think that's why people who've watched it, people who've lived it, still talk about it, still have a very, still have that fondness towards it. A lot of a lot of these kids I have bumped into who've told me that, we've heard about it, but we've not seen it, but we want to see it because someone tells us this and someone tells us that. So I feel that curiosity was because everyone was an individual, and it's not just the four of us actually, it's the 13 of us.
13 of
Uh,
us. True.
Everyone had their own individuality. Also, these were times when nobody was running after numbers, because when you talk about numbers, remix unfortunately never had numbers, but
Yeah.
everybody watched it.
Right.
Yeah.
Like, it's
Yes.
it's
Yeah, the
unbelievable. The
entire
songs,
country
yeah.
watched it. World across people watched it, but it never
Yeah.
gave numbers.
And the music also, the music was very out of the box. The
Yeah.
Asma brand created some of the out of the box legendary songs for the show. Do you guys
And
remember?
Karan, they still sound so bloody
Exactly.
fresh.
It's so
It's
cool
so
to see.
fresh. It's today's
Exactly.
music. 16 years later, it's today's music.
Yeah.
When we were talking about this, you know what song was in my head? Na 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 na
Na,
na
na, na,
na
na.
na. That was in
I
my
think
head right now
I think
when I was having a conversation
Bappi
with you.
Da killed it in our tracks also. Like, it's unbelievable. Like, and I think that's the fun of remix, because I feel I remember back in the days, sometimes I used to crib about the fact that why can't we use filmy songs, and everyone uses filmy songs. But today it's just gone like a 360, that I feel, yaar, अच्छा हुआ हमने filmy songs नहीं किए. We had our
Actually.
own tracks. Like, I'll tell you this song that Shweta was picturized on you. This one, कहानी में जो सुना किताबों में. You
किताबों
know,
में जो पढ़ा.
that song now is a filmy song. The same
Eh?
track it's in a film. It's the
Which
same
film?
music.
I I didn't
I
know
don't
this.
remember. It's a film song. The same track.
Wow.
Like it's not even like a 1 second का भी फर्क नहीं है. It's the
क्या
same
बात
track.
है?
मैं ये जो मेरा सपना है
सपना
तो.
है तो.
It's the
Oh
same
my God.
song.
Oh, I didn't know this. I really didn't know this.
I will find that song and I will send
Find
it to
out
you.
and let me know, okay? Pakka.
And I heard that song and I was like, यार ये तो कहीं तो सुना है मैंने, ये गाना कहाँ चोर
ये तो हमारा गाना है.
हमारा गाना है. But it's brilliant, yeah. I think Asma did such a great thing, and I also, Divya, I feel, where it comes from is, over the last 16 years, I've worked with so many people, and I've worked, and I'm sure Shweta also will agree to this. Back in the days, na, वो जो competitive spirit होती थी ना, वो ना एक दूसरे को नीचा दिखाने के लिए नहीं होती थी.
दिखान.
Right.
वो ना,
Absolutely right.
मतलब इट वाज नॉट अबाउट कि मेरा शो बेटर है तेरा खराब है. ना 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 भाई,
Correct.
हम
Correct.
सब, मेरा शो बड़ा अच्छा है तेरा भी अच्छा है.
हाँ.
अभी वो क्या हो गया ना, आई थिंक द मेन रीजन we thrived, and everyone on Star One actually, whoever thrived, it may be Sarabhai, it may be the Great Indian Laughter Challenge, it may be Guns N' Roses, it may be Remix, or all those shows that came. I think they thrived because everyone believed in themselves, and it was about themselves. Like they didn't.
Yeah.
It wasn't कि मेरा बेटर है, तेरी तो टीआरपी ना गिर, तेरी गिर जाए यार, मजा आ जाएगा.
Yeah.
And I think it's that camaraderie that, like, I have never seen what I've done on Remix. I always say we were 8 boys in one room. मेरे को अगर आज की डेट में कोई बोल देना 8 लड़कों के साथ कमरा शेयर करने के लिए, मैं भी थोड़ा परेशान हो जाऊंगा. मेरे को ऐसा लगेगा नहीं यार. And not because I don't want to share it, because I am the lead and he's not. But I feel like back in the days, the people we worked with, and I always thank Goldie Bhai and Shishti Di because of this, because I think वो जो उन्होंने एक बेस बनाया ना हम सबका कि आपके रूल्स हैं, आपको खाना साथ में खाना है, आपको ब्रेक टाइम है, आपको साथ में रहना है, वो कमाल था.
करेक्ट. हमारी स्कूलिंग जो करण कहने की कोशिश कर रहा है वो ये है कि हमारी स्कूलिंग सही हुई है,
और वो
हम
आज
सही स्कूल में गए और सही टीचरों से हमने सीखा है.
Exactly.
और इसलिए हम आज ऐसे हैं और यहाँ हैं.
वो आज तक विजिबल है. जो ये रीयूनियन में जो कमराडरी आप दोनों दिखा रहे हैं वो आज तक विजिबल है.
नहीं, but मैं वही कह रहा हूँ, श्वेता and me don't, like, we hardly talk. We'll talk once in a blue moon on Instagram or on WhatsApp.
Birthdays
say hi,
mainly.
hello, birthdays. But I feel it's just because the way we lived back then, that everything, like I remember last year, the 15th anniversary of Remix, we all had met, and for the first time in my life, I have I realized that how important it is to connect with people who you started with. Especially for me, I genuinely believe that, because I was a completely different person, a different human being back then. And to meet people who told you stories about the 18-year-old you, I was like, मैं घर गया and I was like, I don't know this boy.
That keeps you grounded also. That keeps you grounded.
It's so much fun. Exactly, because it's so much fun because for all of them, like these 15, 16 people that I know, they still talk to me the way they spoke to me. It's not in their head that अरे ये तो स्टार बन गया है, ये बन गया. There is no because there is no filter, because the guy they've known is the guy they knew.
Yes.
Yeah.
And it just it's very cool, yaar.
Right. Yes.
And actually with the last year on our 15th anniversary, our 15th anniversary, feels so good to say that, Sachi. When we all met, we were all the same people.
Yeah.
We were all like, each one of us, we were all the same. Nobody had really changed towards each other. I'm talking. Of course, we've changed a lot in our lives and our careers and, things like that. But when we all met, we were just the same people, which was, I think it was so beautiful.
And
and it's great, yeah.
And when such meetings happen, you get to pick some incidents from the past, from the show. So can we hear some now from the show, from like throwback incidents that today's generation would like to hear?
I have heard so many incidences about me that night that I went home and I was like, dude, how did these guys handle me? Like, I don't even know that boy back then. Like, I'll tell you the funniest incident of my life with Shweta only, because since Shweta is here, I'll tell you an incident. So when I became an actor, I thought I was the shit. I was the I used to think कि मैंने तो मतलब सीन कर दिया है, क्योंकि मेरे दिमाग में मैंने कर दिया बहुत अच्छा. ये तो मैंने जब 5 साल बाद शो देखा तो मेरे को रियलाइज हो कि मैं क्या करता था. तो मुझे तब समझ आया कि इन लोगों पे क्या बीतती होगी. But there is a scene with Shweta where, the first time, I think it was the first or second time, I had to romance Shweta's character, Tia. And मुझे पता नहीं था कि OS क्या होता है, क्लोज क्या होता है. मतलब एक्टिंग ही नहीं पता थी जिस इंसान को, उसको OS क्लोज का क्या पता होगा. तो मेरे को ना ऐसा कुछ आई लव यू बोलना होगा कि टिया हम आपसे बहुत प्यार करते हैं, ऑल दैट. जो अभी कुछ ठीक, मतलब अभी निकल जाता है तब भी थोड़ा बहुत. उस टाइम ऐसा लगता था कि मेरे को लगता था मैंने बोला ऐसा है कि टिया हम आपसे कहना चाहते हैं कि हम आपसे बहुत प्यार करते हैं, लेकिन वो निकलता था टिया हम आपसे कहना चाहते हैं कि हम आपसे बहुत प्यार करते हैं। तो श्वेता बेचारी ना नीचे से ऐसे मेरा हाथ पकड़ती थी कैमरे के नीचे और ऐसे करती थी, करण फील मी, आई एम अ गर्ल, फील।
ऑपोजिट सेक्स, कुछ कुछ हो रहा है तुझे, अब वो फीलिंग लेके वो but those were the days, Karan. I miss that. I think we had the most beautiful time together. हमने
I know.
इतना रोमांस किया एक दूसरे को, उफ करण, वो राउंड ट्रॉलीज हम
But I
दोनों बीच में
think
खड़े और
exactly.
ट्रॉली घूमे जा रही
जाने
I
हाँ, हमारा
miss
तो काम ही
that.
मतलब आई थिंक हमारा तो काम ही वो हो गया था एक टाइम के बाद, घुमाओ ट्रॉलियां घुमाओ इनके
और पीछे से
चारों
वो
तरफ
दिल
घुमाओ,
की धड़कन पीछे से आवाज आती थी।
बस
हाँ, मतलब
टंग
हमने
टंग टंग
ना
टंग
एक दूसरे की आंखों में ऐसे देखा है, इतने सालों तक देखा है कि बाद में ऐसे था कि फिर तो हम फाइन ट्यून हो गए थे, देन इट वाज लाइक
हाँ
चल रहे हैं, मतलब
हाँ।
ऑटो पे चल रहे हैं हम।
But I think it was fun. Yeah, I think those memories will never be able to, will not be able to get it back because I think also post that Shweta has worked with so many people. I've worked with so many people. I think एक तो obviously सबसे ज्यादा क्या होता है, आपकी जब rawness होती है ना, वो जब चली जाती है ना, तो थोड़ा बहुत आप थोड़ा बहुत आप बदल जाते ही हो, चाहे कुछ भी कह लो, you overthink a little bit because
True.
then you're more cautious about your work, and sometimes they say na, when you're too cautious, it's also not right.
Yeah.
Also, I think because we are in the digital era and we are just we're in a very different space, we don't I honestly believe, including me, eventually जब हम काम करते हैं ना, मुझे समझ नहीं आता मैं इम्प्रेस किसको कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि मेरी ऑडियंस कौन है, वो जो मुझे टीवी पे देख रही है, वो जो मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे देख रही है, या वो जो मुझे जानती है और मेरे काम को समझती है।
Yeah.
और वो बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है, क्योंकि उस टाइम पे तो यार आपको मैं बताऊं कि हमें आधा घंटा मिलता था, हमारा सेट पे ना ऑफिस होता था जहाँ पे हमारी ईपी और ईपी की असिस्टेंट बैठती थी, वो आधा घंटा हम चोरी करते थे उनसे कि यार फेसबुक चेक करने दे, यार इंडिया फोरम चेक करने दे, यार आधा
Yeah.
घंटा मेरा दे दे मेरे को। रिमेम्बर दैट कि चेक करने दो। And I feel it's just very, it's great that we've lived through that era, because I completely I think that thing will never come back, that
Yeah,
innocence will
very
never come back.
So
very true. ये जो what Karan said ना, that right, because we've done so much of work and because we've lived through all of that, कि एक वो जो कह रहा था कि we don't know who we are impressing right now, who's your actual audience. That way, Karan, with this show I feel blessed because here it's like कहते हैं ना कि आपका काम सबसे पहले आपको खुशी देना
Yeah.
चाहिए. You need to
जी.
be happy, satisfied, and pleased with. That's what's happening to me right now with this particular show that I'm doing. कि मुझे इतनी खुशी होती है ना रोज में जब एक सीन करके अभी ये I need to wind this up early because मेरा एक बहुत बड़ा
Yeah.
सीन है अभी जहाँ पे पूरा कर. By the way, there's a dog that has come in the show.
I know the
And
puppy
उसके लिए
has
घर
come,
में
puppy चेदी
हाँ और उसके लिए डॉग
puppy.
फूड आया है और घर की परंपरा टूट गई है बिकॉज इट्स अ डॉग फूड. वो नहीं सुन बट इट इज सो रियल. Obviously it's also going to be real with the way we talk and we portray that, but Dadaji is very angry and I have to say ki nahi, no, I got this dog food and I'm sorry, so I have to like wind up in like 2 more minutes.
So
exactly.
how does it feel that someone is talking against a dog when if
अरे
Shweta Gulati
Karan एक हफ्ता हो गया है वो डॉग यहाँ पे काम कर रहा है और मैं रोज रोती हूँ उसको हक करके और उसको सॉरी बोलती हूँ.
but you already have
Just
dogs
because
at your
the dog.
home, no? You already have dogs.
Yeah.
Shweta is not a dog lover. Shweta will kill you if something happens to the dog.
Actually, that happened.
What?
I was so upset because one of the co-actors here आई थी एक रोल के लिए who was playing the maid in the house and she was angry and I said she's scared of dogs, so I like
Yeah.
I snapped at her saying अरे वो कुछ कर थोड़ी ना रहा है and वो कांप रही थी because she has dog phobia and I instead of being compassionate towards her I was compassionate towards the dog and saying यार बेचारा उससे डर रहा होगा उसको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है.
Shweta had 23 dogs on the Kamalistan set of remakes. मतलब उनकी 3 जनरेशन पाली हैं इसने वहाँ पे.
So you have also purchased a dog recently, Karan, right?
I just got a dog, yaar. I was a dog phobic person and I understand how dog phobia works, but I think somehow I just fell in love with this one and I said just मेरे को रखना है. हाँ.
walk,
हाँ
okay, towards the set.
या
एक
perfect.
set
ना 2
set
मिनट मुझे
tour.
मिल जाएगा.
इसी
We
बहाने
can also have a set
मुझे
tour.
सेट देखने को मिलेगा.
मेरे को भी घर बैठे बैठे.
So
This
yeah,
is the third set now I am with you, Shweta. One was remix, one is Dil Mil Gaye. Oh, I worked with Shweta in Dil Mil Gaye for like a tiny bit.
हाँ, so दिल मिल गए का भी मेरे को पूछना था जब श्वेता वाज ऑलरेडी वर्किंग, करण ने बाद में ज्वाइन
She's
किया था.
playing my Bhavi.
हाँ.
From Baby to Bhavi.
तो
tell me about.
जब पता लगा था एक दूसरे को कि करण आ रहा है या श्वेता ऑलरेडी है, श्वेता के साथ दोबारा काम करने को
यार
मिलेगा.
मुझे तो बड़ा मजा आया था because I was told, because I used to watch Remix and I used to love their show. Like I think they were, I feel, I honestly believe, and this is the only thing that I've always said, that before I entered Dil Mil Gaye, I think it was a mental show. It was another, like it was a show
Yeah.
that you wanted to be a part of
Right.
because you want to act alongside these guys.
Yeah.
I somehow, I think, threw that to the universe. In a way that I got to work with these guys, but unfortunately, Shweta, क्या कहते हैं,
She left.
had to go, and their track ended. But it was so much fun to actually spend time with Shweta also on set. बहुत कम scene किए थे हमने, लेकिन बड़ा मजा आया था.
So what are you currently doing now? Upcoming projects or?
I am right now anchoring here. I'm hosting this show called Big Buzz on Woot. It's a sister concern property of Big Boss. So it's a lot of fun. Get to talk to all the Big Boss contestants, ex-contestants, and people who are inside who get eliminated. They come out and talk and they tell us about the inside gossip.
Okay.
तो
Guys,
बड़ा मजा आता है. हाँ श्वेता.
I'm on the set. और
ठीक
ये
है,
मेरा ही
तो
सीन
फिर
है तो मुझे जाना पड़ेगा.
Done.
Okay.
Have a good one.
All the best, Shweta.
वाही.
Bye
Sorry,
bye.
sorry,
हाँ
एक second.
शो की प्रमोशन कर दो जाने से पहले 2 मिनट. शो की प्रमोशन.
हाँ. अरे
हाय
सर कैसे हैं?
सर.
देखिए पापा जी पप्पी का ध्यान रखें, ज्यादा गुस्सा ना हो पप्पी की वजह से, हम देख रहे हैं.
She left.
चले गए पापा जी.
चलो.
But yeah, that's what, like, I think I'm hosting this show, and I hope something really cool and nice comes really soon. There are certain things in the pipeline, but COVID chal raha hai, so everything is a little delayed.
So how is COVID affecting your personal love life in that way?
There's nothing here. I think COVID doesn't affect personal lives, or I think COVID only affects professional lives because we are so used to working. I think personally, we're not. I'm not. I think bothered because I'm anyways mostly at my own house. My girlfriend's not in Bombay. And my mom dad also are not in Bombay, so they stay in Delhi. So I feel personally in all sectors I am the same. I loved the COVID experience. I loved being at home because I think it just made me more patient and just let me do certain things which I never thought that I'll do.
जैसे कि for example?
जैसे कि यार हम लोग कभी घर पे बैठते कहाँ हैं, मतलब हम लोगों को हमेशा होता है ना कि घर पे नहीं बैठना, बाहर जाना है. I never thought that I could cook. I never thought I could clean my house daily. हम once in a blue moon कर लेते हैं. Then I never thought that there were so many things that I could do at home, क्योंकि हम लोग we usually make our own houses in the ways that we want to make, and then we don't enjoy it because we're still working. So there was so much to do, there was so much to read, there was so much to watch. Luckily मेरे खुद के इतने 2-3 shows आ गए लॉकडाउन में, तो मैं वही देख रहा, उसी में बिजी हो गया. So I feel overall I've enjoyed. I'm still enjoying the process. I just landed in Delhi, in my Delhi house. So I'm in my room, chilling, doing nothing.
Also, you are a fitness enthusiast. So how did
Yeah.
COVID, affect the process of going to the gym or, How did that?
That was affected. Yeah, that was affected because I'm so used to going to the gym and being in this entire fitness rut where I would either play outside, football or cricket, or go to the gym. So I think I lost around 9.5 kgs in 4 or 5 months. Uh, I lost all my muscle. I lost every inch of my muscle that I had built.
Over
But
the
that's how my body. That's how my body works. If I don't work out or if I don't eat properly, that's what happens. And but I'm back now. I'm back. I've been working out for the last 1 month. Uh, gyms have finally opened. It's a little scary, but taking precautions and going to the gym, I think that's the only thing we can do because I had to get back into shape because also personally I feel it demand. I my body demanded it, and professionally also sometimes you tend to not look the part then, or you trying to look a little different. And yeah, so now it's all okay. I'm back on track. I hope the gyms are open and they don't shut down.
Right.
Obviously, I hope precautions are taken,
Mm.
and if they are taken, I think that's the only way we can actually fight this.
So, okay, Karan, we'll wind this up, and it was lovely
Thank
speaking
you.
to you. Thank you
Thank you
for
so much,
doing this.
Divya.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Karan.
Divya. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. Take care, guys.
Okay,
See ya.
bye.